today I am representing my state Bihar. First of all, let me tell you about some past. Then I will come in the nowadays situation right now, and then maybe the upcoming future what's happened in Bihar. First, let me talk about the history. First, then the Bihar was not a name from the not calling from the since the when the Bihar. First name it was Vihar. Bihar means the Buddhist monks. People are living and they are practicing. They are monks. After in the 16th century, there comes a Mughal rule in Bihar. Then it's converted because it's converted Bihar. Bihar means that you are from other states and you come. We welcome you. We all give you honor. We give you respect and stay us with us. First of all, we said that in Bihar there are lots of legend peoples are born like Aryabhatta, like Chanakya. Many others peoples are born like Rajendra Prasad, the first president of the India is from Bihar only. And in the upcoming generation like a Sagar Senapati was from Bihar only. He is that guy who completed his PhD in 24th age only, and he's become a White House member by the Barack Obama assemblies. And many main things are happens in the Bihar. Bihar was not that state which we are seeing by the hate view. Many people think about the Bihar is not developing, but Bihar is developing. Like in central government, in central we doesn't have any other option. BJP in same as the same condition is going on. So Bihar we doesn't have any other option like Nitish. Bihar history was very unique because the Bihar only was that time the people wants to capture the Bihar, because from the Bihar you can rule all over the India. Like in 13th BC there was lots of fight for the Bihar. And when the Chanakya came he was the only one person who defeated the Sikandar, the Lord Sikandar, who was not defeated by anybody. But Chanakya defeated the Lord Sikandar, which was a big victory for us. And right now you are using your phones, right now you are using your laptops, due to which Aryabhatta only. Because Aryabhatta is that guy who introduced zero and you are taking its advantage right now. Because the computer listen and understand only two words, 0 and 1. It's a binary numbers. We come on that topic. In the Bihar only, that's a place you can understand the feelings of the peoples. You are said that the Bihari peoples are worse, they doesn't know have manners. First you have to give him respect, they will give you more than respect you give. Bihar peoples are, if you visited to any country, it doesn't mean it's Argentina, California, you will saw Bihar students, persons who are working there. In more than 13,000 students are from MBBS. Is from our Bihar only. More than 1,000 lakh students are from Bihar only who are doing engineering. We cover third by fourth of the IPS and UPSC exams are done by the Bihar students only, because they have a guts, they can do everything. But nowadays people are saying that in 2016 there was a Pathankot Hamla which happened. The Tamil Nadu CM said that we will give Kashmir. You will give Kashmir, we will give a Bihar. That time was the worst thing we listen about the Bihar, because Bihar only who sacrificed a lot. Because since when the Bihar was come in the rule, the many people want to be a rule in the Bihar, because it's a big export place. You can export from the Bihar, because from the Gujarat all materials come to Bihar only. Bihar is that place where you learn their humanities, because till now we have epic animals are there, lots of forest, lots of university. For your kind information, the first university of India is from Bihar only, Magar, Nanda University. Right now people are Nanda University. Right now people who are going for the Nanda University. It is a very normally people cannot afford the Nanda University. It's free of cost, because you have to declare is an exam which is a more tougher than the IAS and UPSC exam. You can't able to cross if you have a lot of knowledge. Most of the colleges, most of the schools, most of the hospitals are in Bihar. If you talk about the agriculture field, the Bihar is on the second number after Punjab and Haryana. Both are the first number, because the Bihar only that guy who produces a lot after the Punjab and Haryana. If we talk about the climate, there are the three types of climate. Winter, summer and the rainy season, which was some parts in the India doesn't have a rainy season, but Bihar have a rainy season. And we talk about the main thing. The GDP across the third state which are giving the highest GDP is Bihar only. If we talk about the literacy rate, we are covering 62.5. If you think if we complete 100% literacy rate, there will be no scope for the Mumbai peoples, Allahabad peoples, or UP Haryana, because the 3/4 of IPS and UPSC exam are covering us. If we think about, you are thinking about the Bihar peoples are illiterate. For a kind of information, if we talk about the history personalities, Manoj Bajpayee, right now, the 30 award winning after the, you listen after the, Amitabh Bachchan, the second highest award winner is Manoj Bajpayee. If we talk about the Sushant Singh Rajput, who is not more with us, he is the second actor who was selected for the Forbes 30 list in Forbes, which was the highest priority. No Indian actor was selected for this. If we talk about the saga celebrity, I talked about the CEO of the Sundar Pichai. It's from Tamil Nadu, but he said that if I am right now a Google CEO because my Bihar's friend, they give me courage to you can do everything because. And right now he is also working with the Bihari peoples. If you think in the Google there are 13,000 more than Bihari peoples are working. If you saw about the in Nanda University, 1,800 students are selected for the NASA. If you see about the history of the past of Bihar, you will see the first from the past. Its name was Magad, Patliputra, and it's now Bihar. Due to which, because people know that Bihar was that state we can rule to earn the control. It's Ashoka only who covered the whole India till Iran, Iraq. He is also from Bihar. Guru Gobind Singh, the Sikh Guru, 10th Sikh Guru, also born from the Bihar. The Mahavira, also born from the Bihar. He learned everything, he listened everything. He in the life he said that in his autobiography he said that I am here to Bihar because in the Bihar I learned how to live, how to survive. That's why. If we go talk about the Gautam Buddha get a life of path in the Bihar only because he knows that the Bihar is the light which gives you energy. If we talk about the thermal plants, the second largest state is Bihar. If we talk about the multinational companies and the industries, the third number is for the Bihar only. If you saying that in the Bihar is not employment, first to visit and saw you there. If we talk about the food, the litti chokha is famous. It's famous because people know how to cook. People know the respect the food. If you give any food to the Bihari peoples, they will eat because they know how to earn, how to respect the food. But nowadays, if we saw the Delhi, Mumbai chores, they are the you give me vada pav, they will know I not eat because they didn't respect the food. If we visited to the Kanpur, Lucknow, Allahabad, you will saw the गुटके क्या बोलते हैं? गुटका क्या होता है?
गुटका ही गुटका.
Tobacco. If we saw the tobacco, there was in the roads there was a split up the tobacco. It's impact the society. It's disturb the society. In the Kanpur, from the since child from 9 o'clock eats tobacco. If we saw in the Bihar, these things never happen. Let me talk about the temples. In the Bihar, there are more than 600 temples. 200 temples more than Buddhism, 400 temples for the end. And you are talking about the Bihari peoples not respect the Mohammedans. They are the hate of the Mohammedans. For a kind information, if you visit the Chhapra Jilla, there are lots of Mohammedans. More than 35,000 Mohammedans are living in the Bihar. We respect us because they know that in the Bihar only they can survive. In Allahabad, Allahabad is called Nawab city because they are already all from Mohammedans only. There will be lots of lack of Mohammedans only. I saw the news, that's why I'm talking. In Bihar, since the Bihar got independence, the never case arise for the independence. There is not a single case that we are not happy with India government, we separate. The India selected the Hindi as a national government, national language. But Bihar only that one who said that, yeah, we agree. Tamil Nadu against the rises that we not accept the Hindi as a national language. If we talk about the highest GDP rate is giving the first Punjab, Haryana, then it's Bihar. Thank you. That's all.